to the busiest bee ever. Sabi po kanina ni Sir Arnold, left and right, you have a lot of endorsements right now. But ang kaakibat po ng mga ganito, yung kasikatan, corona, mga endorsement, ang pagkakilala po sa'yo, meron po mga tao minsan lumalaki pang ulo. Diba? Hindi po maiwasan yung mga pangyayari pong ito. So for you, we see authenticity and genuine heart naman sa'yo. So what really keeps you grounded, honestly?
I think it's because how my family taught me to be grounded and to be grateful with everything that I have, because they're my greatest why. The reason why I am here, why I always have that kind of energy, it's because they're my strength. Naranasan ko po kasi na mangarap lang. Parang provincial girl, diba? Parang nandun ka lang sa province, pag nakatingin ka sa billboard, dati iniisip ko, pag kaya nag-endorse ka nito, ilang kayang supply mo every year? Diba? Hindi ko iniisip nun yung bayad, pero iniisip ko, ilan kaya supply? O kaya pag nanood ka ng commercial, pag kaya ganito, ilan kaya chicken, fried chicken ang ano nila, supply nila? Alam mo yung gano'n, yung babalik ka po dun sa dating ikaw, kasi ang sarap sa pakiramdam na you're living their answered prayers now. And I am also grateful that I am surrounded with good people who keeps me grounded, because sila po talaga yung reason kung bakit hindi ko inaalis yung paa ko sa ground. That's why I am lucky and I'm grateful that I have this group of people. I have my family, I have my friends, and my fans, of course, and ALB. Pinag-uusapan pa lang namin yan kanina. Sabi niya, I have a lot of plans for you, pero talagang sikapin mo na always keep your feet on the ground. Kasi pag dinanggal mo yan, isang araw, mas masakit ang bagsak niya. Lagi ka maging grateful. So yun po. Yun lang siguro.
Talking about Sir Arnold, do you also say no to any other?
When you had to say no for you to be true to yourself?
Wow! When I was like mga teen siguro, I always say yes kasi parang it's all about me. Kala ko kapag napasaya ko yung ibang tao, okay na. Pero when you mature and when you experience a lot in life, saying yes pala every time, parang hindi rin okay. So sometimes you need to say no kasi yun yung feeling mong makakapagpasaya din sa'yo at tama para din sa situation. So it's not always yes, sometimes no. Parang yung sinabi sa akin ni God noong 2019 na, no, not for the crown yet because I need to prepare you first. So imagine 6 years of preparation. So not all is negative. There's always a lesson behind the nose.